My name is Richard Casey, and I'm a founding partner at Robinson & Casey. Guardianship is actually something that families are probably more familiar with hearing about, but still don't know all the details of. Here in Florida, we use the term guardianship to describe both guardianship of the person as well as guardianship of the property. And some states intermingle those terms differently with conservatorship. When we're talking about accessing treatment, we're talking about guardianship of the person. We're trying to make decisions around their medical and mental health care in order to get them into and be receiving the treatments that are going to make a difference in their life. And so guardianship allows us to step in and begin to put an individual guardian in charge of an incapacitated person's treatment experience so that they can consent to the mental health treatment options that doctors are recommending. Some people who are suffering from a serious mental illness do not understand exactly how serious that mental illness is. They're resistant to treatment recommendations because they can't comprehend the concern that other people have about their condition. Having such an incapacity, an incapability of recognizing the need for treatment, aren't able to make quality and informed decisions to improve their quality of life and their medical prognosis over time. So what we do is we work with a family to either get an emergency temporary guardianship initially, putting the patient into a hospital or high-level residential facility initially, and then progress that patient down the continuum of care while making sure that they're getting access to their proper medications. And certainly families need additional resources like quality treatment environments like Lifeskills, and case managers, and potentially even private doctors that are arranged to work with the family. But as the guardian, they can make those decisions to hire those experts on behalf of their loved one and get them to a position where their mental health is a little bit more under control, and progress that individual to begin to understand the necessity of their treatment. It may not be permanent forever if they regain capacity, but one that's lasting until they do have that regaining of capacity.